All right, it's me again. Look, I'm going to give you one more chance to actually partner with us. I know you didn't like that other offer, or you didn't take that other offer for whatever reason. So I'm going to give you one more chance to actually get started and see the real value of actually being able to sell software for your own price points and keep 100% of the revenue, or use a high value software like this as a lead magnet to be able to go in and collect leads, or add it as a bonus to your other offers to actually help increase your value stack and get more conversions and actually have retention on those offers. So in this offer, you can see the price below. It's a little bit less. It's about 50% less as the previous offer that you said no to. And you're going to get 30 accounts on the actual software. So you'll end up getting 30 accounts on the software that you can fully manage through our portal, QB. You can do everything manually if you like to do stuff manually, or you can go through our quick training and learn how to completely automate the account creation and management process. So again, if you take this offer, you are going to get 30 accounts, 30 licenses on our software that you can manage any way that you see fit.